Viewer discretion is advised. Hello people and welcome to Called by Police channel, a channel that features only the best moments caught in interaction with police officers. If this is your first time on our channel, please hit subscribe button.
Here, buddy! Get on the ground! Get down! Down! Good boy! Way down!
Today's episode is a little bit different. You're gonna see the best human's friend in action, police dog or K9. The suspect was charged with drug possession, fleeing an officer, and driving with invalid license, among other charges. The Pasco County Sheriff's Office regularly shares footage of its K9 unit in an effort to promote their contribution to law enforcement.
Stop! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Here! Here, buddy! Get on the ground! Get down! Down! Good boy! Way down! They're about to bail. We're going into his property. Stand by. Stop the bail. Stay still. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Oh, fuck! Give me your hand. I can't. I'm laying on it. Ow! Ow! Shut up. Oh. Ow! Batman's on my door. Shut up. Good boy. Kick. Alright, I'm gonna be in the yard on Caldwell. I need fire rescue for a dog bite. I got one male detained.
This is a photo of Dexter the police dog. He's a 3-year-old Belgian Malinois. He's been a San Diego police dog for the last year and a half. And this morning, Dexter and his handler responded to a call in Encanto, and he was stabbed several times.
Dog suffered a broken rib and a lacerated spleen, but fortunately our vet was able to do surgery, take care of his wounds. The dog is stable and expected to make a good recovery.
San Diego K9 officer Larry Adair says the decision to use the K9 came after 22-year-old Rogelio Carrion refused to follow police commands and drop a 7-inch butcher knife.
The decision was made to impact the individual with an extended range impact weapon. And again, the individual didn't comply, so the decision was made to send the police dog.
Dexter was stabbed several times and taken to a hospital in Barrio Logan where he underwent surgery. His handler here all day by his partner's side.
But ultimately, at the end of the day, it's a police service dog, and that dog's job is to help preserve human life. So we know that as handlers, that's ultimately the job, and it's very difficult to send them into harm's way, but that is the job. This for his recovery is very good, very good.
This video shows police accompanied by a K9 who managed to sniff out car thieves that tried to hide out in a scrapyard in the UK.
Released by the West Midlands Police begins with authorities chasing the suspects through Wolverhampton at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. The suspects hurled tools and bottles at the police vehicle during the chase, but all came to a head when they tried to hide in a scrapyard. The police dog located 20-year-old Callum Hobson, who can be heard claiming he's only a kid.
Get out now!
Right, I'm only a kid.
Soon his brother Jamie emerged, and others that were arrested were driver Morgan McTaggart and Ashley Greetrex. The gang all rounded up were arrested not only for the car theft, but also for stealing $1,300 worth of goods from a newspaper stand.
10-3 traffic for K1 at the McDonald's. Here, we got a visual on him. He's next to the McDonald's. Crossing over behind you. Turn around, deputy.
The Pasco Sheriff's Office praised the work of a K9 and deputy for arresting a man who tried to kidnap a child in Newport Richey, Florida. This footage shows the officer and police dog apprehending the suspect before his arrest.
Boy, you hold that back, man! Good boy! Roll over on your stomach! Roll over on your stomach now! Roll over or we're not taking the dog off! Good boy! That's a good boy! You hold that man! Roll on your stomach now! Roll over! Roll on your stomach now! Good boy! Tighten! No! Out! No! Good boy. Good boy. You watch that baby. You watch that baby. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. You do good boy. You do good boy. You do good job. Watch that man.
The suspect, Balal Hussein, was taken down by police dog after failing to stop, before leading officers on a 90 miles per hour chase through 30 miles per hour zones.
Asian male, white top, black tracky bottoms, black trainers.
What's happened?
I don't know, I just got hit with something.
You've been hit with something. Where? Where?
On my head.
On your head?
Yeah.
Stay with me. Yeah, no, stay with me then. Yeah. Right, sit down. Sit down.
Another episode comes to an end on our channel, and we hope that was interesting content for you. If there is something you'd like us to change or improve, feel free to write us down in the comments below. Until the next episode, drive safe and respect the law.